Dear students, friends, here the university KSLU, which has clarified with regard to the examination for the yearback students, that is readmitted students, those who want to appear for the February 2021 examination, there is some clarification has been given by the Karnataka State Law University in its number KSLU examination 2020/21/16 dated 29/1/2021, that here it has clarified that for the students who are yearback or readmit students who fall under the 100 marks question paper pattern, they have been informed to attend their backlog subject in the month of June and as well as July 2021 examination, and for the art semester examination they are supposed to write the examination in the month of April 2021. Here, why this has been happened, why this sort of notification is in order to clarify the certainty, in order to clarify the uncertainty and the questions among the student community. The university has released certain the notification to clarify the aspect with regard to the yearback and the readmit students, whether they are supposed to write the February 2021 examination or not. So clarification has been given with regard to the art semester examination. They are supposed to write the exam in the month of April 2021. For the yearback subjects or backlog subjects, they are supposed to write the June-July 2021 examination. And now the examination, the timetable has been given. It has been given to the 80-20 pattern question paper pattern. So that's why the students have to know, because there are except the 6th semester and 10th semester the LLB, that is correspondingly 5 years 10th semester, 6th semester 3 years. For them, only the examination has been conducted. So there are a lot of pending semester examination is there. So now it has been clarified with regard to the yearback and the readmitted students with regard to the when they are going to supposed to take the examination, who fall under the 100 marks question paper pattern. So here now already the examination timetable has been given. It is for the students who fall under the 80-20 scheme. It's not the 100 marks question pattern. It is only 80-20 scheme. So the students have to carefully know the instructions of the university, and they can get prepared for the examination. Wish you good luck.